Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Man, today is September the 17th, 2021. Look at this Tron price prediction. Tron crypto, the least path of resistance is 60% increase in price. What in the world are you talking about, right? Can the price in Tron really increase 60%? Can the price of Tron really go up in price? Hey, let's check it out. We're going to look at the price chart in a simplistic fashion so that we can be in position and win in the market. So now, today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content. Guess what? Today's your greatest day. We're going to give you all information that you can actually utilize and benefit from. You can actually see from our chart that we are dropping price predictions, looking for price movement so that we can be in position and win. I wanted to come in and show everyone that you can do this for yourself. You don't have to be dependent on any other YouTuber. You don't have to be dependent on any other person and their technical analysis just to see where the market's going to go. And you can do it in a simple way. So check it out. If you guys want to join us, hit me up. Hit the like button, share, subscribe. You know, the run-of-the-mill things that every YouTuber wants you to do. Make sure you do that here. And I would advise you to tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on our videos. At least if you're trying to do this for yourself, you should definitely learn a lot from this particular channel, because many people think you're supposed to be analytical and supposed to have some massive master degree in technical analysis, and you're supposed to know what the RSI is supposed to do, and the MACD and the Bollinger Band and the stochastics and the Fibonacci retracements and the moon cycles and the star cycles and the earth rotation around the sun, all of this and all of that. Yeah, right. You don't need none of that. Only thing you need is the price bars and the volume. That's it. You can see it on my chart. We don't have none of that other mess on our chart because it only causes us confusion. So let me talk about our last price prediction in Tron, right? You can see it. September the 3rd was the last time we did our price prediction. Here it is, the 17th of September, 14 days in. And you guys can see that the market has finally came to where we expected it to go. Now, from out the gate, yeah, the price went down, right? And I know there's somebody gonna be in the comments saying, hey, you got stop loss. No, you got stopped out. No, we didn't. Because I'm here to tell you, don't give the exchanges your area to where you're willing to lose your money. That is what stop losses do. They tell the exchanges, hey, such and such is willing to lose his money right here. So let me take down that price, take them out, and let me take that price back up. That is exactly what happened on this particular prediction on our chart. Those people who had stop losses at 9 cents, 8 cents in Tron, they got stopped out. When in fact, their price prediction was right. They was expecting the market to go up, and it did. He just took you out the way before he brought the price to where you expected it to go. So you need to make sure that only you know where you're willing to lose into the market. Don't tell that to nobody. Only you should know. All right. So looking at it, yes, the market did go down from out the gate, but we came back. It didn't even take long after September the 7th, right, to see the market in Tron come right back up and close above our area of support. So even on that particular instance, we knew that we was golden. We knew that the market was still good and anticipated to go up in price, because the market came right back the next day on September the 8th and closed above our area of support at 9 cents right there. Okay. So right here, the 14th, even on the 12th of September, you had the 15th, the 16th, and even on the 17th to grab that 12.91% out the market. Did you do it? Were you able to grab that? Because we need to talk about some things now on the chart. Okay, so let me get rid of that. And I mean, take a look at this chart, right? I'm zooming out. Can you still see the market in Tron being in an upward trend? Yes, cool. Do you still see the market in Tron going higher in price so far? Yes. We need to identify a couple more areas now. Since we got a little bit more information on the chart, we need to see, okay, cool. Yeah, the market is still in an uptrend in Tron, but how high can we go? Can we really see the price in Tron go up 60%? Because if it does, 60% takes this market price in Tron all the way up here to 18 cents, 18 and a half cents. That is where 60% is right now, where price is currently trading. 60%. All right. That's literally all-time highs on this particular exchange on Binance. Can Tron really make all-time highs? Let's see. So now let me show you the 3-day time frame first, okay? Because the last couple of 3-day price bars, look at the volume and look at where the market ended up closing, right? We've definitely seen an influx of market volume and selling occur over the last 6 days, maybe 7 days of trading. The market has gotten inundated with people trying to sell their tokens or their cryptocurrency. And this is the reason why, okay? The last time that the market in Tron came here, around 11 and 12 cents, was when the market got that drop in price and literally scared a lot of people out the market. Those people have been holding ever since May of 2021. And now they're finally coming right back and breaking even at least minimizing those losses that they once had back in May. So now they're trying to like, look, good. I'm ready to get out this position. I'm happy at least to break even or maybe minimize my losses. That is why this volume is increasing down here in Tron over the last 6 to 7 trading days. That's it. Now, the question is, did the market buy it up? Like, was there enough interest into the market that allowed the market to wipe all of that selling out because it wants to go higher in price? That is something that we need to identify, and so far that is what I'm seeing on a 3-day time frame. This is the 5-day time frame, and it kind of shows us the same thing, that the market here in Tron is still being inundated with selling. Weekly time frame, same thing. So it kind of looks like the market is going to stabilize for a little bit, meaning we're going to trade sideways, hold that 10-cent price level, maybe 9.5-cent price level as support, and we're going to be bouncing in between that area as support and 12-13 cents as restriction. It kind of looks like we're going to do that for a little bit, but the weakness is not really dominating the market right now in Tron. So long term, it still looks viable that the prospect of the market in Tron going up is still here. Okay, we just got to be patient. We just got to allow the market to stabilize, allow the market to get rid of all the sellers, and then the market will resume up to higher prices, right? Cool. So let me show you all the hourly time frame, because you can still see how the market here in Tron is still weak, right? So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm not really seeing the market maintaining this ascending line. I'm pretty much seeing it transition over into a consolidational range. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to identify that. I really like this area here to be maintained as support in Tron. Okay, this area right here, which is around like 9 cents, 9.5 cents. I like that. Okay, I do. Now, I'm going to bring it down to 9 cents though. Okay, so that's our support area right here. It's a very strong area of support here, even around 8 cents. That's also an area of support into the market in Tron. But I'm going to bring around 9. I want the market to hold that price right there around 9 cents. Okay, let me see something real quick. All right, cool. So now, where do you think the market is going to find rejection in Tron in the long term? Because we already got rejected here. Okay, you guys can see back in May, the market was holding 12 cents as support. Now it's acting as restriction, which is why in the initial stages, I'm looking for the price to come down. We have what, 11 cents back down to like 10.5, 10 cents. We can see the market come down to in Tron. Yeah, we can. Just because the market got rejected or was holding support back in May, this 12-cent price. Okay. Now I'm going to bring it up here to around 13 though. And I'm seeing the market going up to 18 cents. I mean, you can see this on the monthly time frame to try to find that answer. And so far, the market definitely is giving us some strength here in Tron. It is. For the long term, it is definitely still intact to see the price go up. This is the 5-month time frame. And so far, the weakness that came in over the last 5 months from January this year has been bought up. All the selling that has been going on. Okay. So this is it. Let me go ahead and do the price prediction. I'm looking for the market in Tron to go up in price. Told you the area of support definitely right there around 9 cents, but I'm going to bring it up here to 10 cents as well. Price does not break below 10 cents, preferably 9 cents in the long term. We're golden to allow this market to continue to shoot up in price. Okay. Now restriction currently is around 12 cents. So the next time the market comes up there to that 12-cent price, we need to be prepared to take some bread off the table and eat, because we understand that the market can go back down from that perspective. Right up there around 13 cents is where I'm looking for the market to try to come to. I see another area slightly higher, like 0.133. I'm going to bring it up there as well for the ultimate area that we can see the price go in Tron. All right, so we're kind of stair-stepping our way up in price in Tron. So we saw the market start its ascension higher. We traded sideways, went higher, came down, went up. Now we're going to expect some trading sideways and then the market to go up. That's our expectation. This is what we're looking forward to into the market in Tron. It's just that easy and it's just that simple. All right. So now, I mean, you could do this as well. You might see some people continue to hold the trend, right, in Tron. That's cool too. But either way, we still need to see this market hold 9 cents and even this ascending line, right? We still need to see that happen regardless of what lines or wherever you place your line at. But that's it right there. All right, so I'm gonna hold that there. This is our newest price prediction to the market in Tron. Now I want to know, I mean, what do you all see on the chart? You don't have to be confusing. You don't have to spend 15 hours drawing lines on your chart, looking at technicals on the chart just to figure out where price is going to go. So drop me a comment in the comment section. Let me know, where do you see the market in Tron going over the next 3 weeks? Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.